You are audible, sir.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Aditya sir. I hope I'm audible to Rohit sir and Latika ma'am as well. So let's dive right into it. Allow me to share my screens. So, okay, students. So, what we have to offer in this course is that we are particularly focusing on the front end position itself. So, I think you guys know what front end actually means, or if you don't know, then we'll definitely go from basic to advanced in it. So, basically, front end, back end, and database. These are the three structures that you get to see in the web application or the mobile application. So इसमें क्या होता है कि हम लोग पहले आपको फ्रंट एंड में बिल्कुल डिटेल में लेके जाएंगे. इसमें हम बेसिक टू एडवांस लेके जाएंगे. जैसे आप लोग यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, हम फिलहाल के लिए स्टार्ट करेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन सेशन से. सो उसके बाद हम HTML CSS में जाएंगे. उसके बाद जावास्क्रिप्ट. आई होप यू हैव हर्ड ऑफ दिस जावास्क्रिप्ट. So after that, we'll go to function, then GitHub. And later on in this class, our sir will take it on and then explore the different subject and the matter in much more detail than I did. So then after we'll go to overview of React and directly we'll dive into Next.js. I hope you're seeing this. So Next.js is one of the most important thing in the front end portion. Let me share my another screen. Give me 2 minutes, students. We'll first be covering function and then we'll be covering overview of React, and then after we'll go to fundamentals, then we'll go to React route, then we'll go to REST APIs. We'll absolutely be dealing with third-party APIs, and then we'll go to Next.js, then Redux, then React performance. So this is the complete course for you guys. So what we are trying to achieve here is हम लोग क्या achieve करना चाहते हैं इसमें is, so we are focusing on the complete front end mastery course. So we'll take you from basic to advanced, right? So apart from that, these are the subsections, the subtopics that we'll be covering in this course. So after that, we'll directly dive into what you get to offer apart from technical knowledge from this course. So student, we are a multinational company. We've been operating in India and Nepal. So we have a past 3 years of experience in placing software engineers in different organizations. As you can see here, we've already placed candidate in Monotype company, in Genesis Solution, in Fieldless Service, in Leapfrog, in VFS, in VRix. So these are the major companies that are going after. So what we're trying to do here is that apart from technical knowledge, we'll be covering how to prepare your resume and how to attend for your interview. So क्या होता है कि आपको टेक्निकल नॉलेज तो हम लोग देंगे, उसके बाद हम फोकस करेंगे कि आप लोगों को आपका रेज्यूमे कैसे फास्टली शॉर्टलिस्ट हो. ठीक है. सो उसके बाद हम लोग आपको प्रिपेयर करेंगे कि आप फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू कैसे क्रैक करोगे. सो मेजर सेक्शन क्या होता है कि लर्नर्स, many students have technical knowledge, but they don't know how to express it in their verbal interview. So they can crack the technical round, right? But they cannot express themselves in the verbal or let's just say physical interview. So what it does is that it reduces the chances of them getting hired to a particular organization. So what we're trying to focus on in this course is will make you adequate with both technical knowledge and then physical knowledge, or let's just say aptitude level knowledge. So this is a complete compact course, student. So we'll be using all of our technical knowledge as well as the experience that we have gained from the market, and we'll try to provide you all those things in within 40 to 50 days per hour, 1 day. I hope I'm clear and audible to you guys. So apart from this, everything else is something that we've already discussed on various channel or the modality. So from now, I would like to hand over to our developer, sir, Vivek, sir. So just before giving this class to him, I would like to introduce you guys that he is the Munstack developer. So he not only deals with front end, but he deals with back end and as well as the database itself. So he has the knowledge of building web application as well as the mobile application. So you guys will learn the whole architecture and the what do we call it, and the in detail knowledge of the course, in detail knowledge of the front end section itself. So our aim is not only to give you the technical knowledge, but help you regarding the process of applying for any job interviews, or let's just say any particular position, right? So as we have specified earlier, we are focusing on the React.js course, React.js framework. So in front-end learners, we have AngularJS, Vue.js, and React.js. But the thing is, during past few years or past few, let's just say decade, the React.js course the React position is coming very vital in the market. So we are preparing you for the best technology and the more advanced and widely used technology. That way, it will increase your chances of getting any particular positions or any particular vacancies. So that is what we are after. So having said that, I would like to introduce to you our developer sir. Now he'll be taking this class further. He'll be exploring the different topics and subtopics that we'll be covering in very short and brief modality, because this is just a demo section. And if you guys have any sort of confusion, then you can raise your hand and then open your mic and speak about it. So we'll try to deal with it. So Vivek sir, I would like you to take this class further.
Okay, so good morning, everyone. My name is Vivek Chaudhary, and I am a full stack developer. So at first, we are going to learn HTML. In HTML, we are going to learn different elements and tags like headings, paragraphs, anchor or link tag, images, and we are going to discuss our HTML5 and its semantic tags. And on second day also, we are going to learn about HTML. And then if possible we are going to start css maybe on second day itself, right? So then we are going to learn about css and everything that you need on css to make a basic websites. We are going to learn everything, right? So we are going to learn what is css, like what are the selectors, what is box model on css, and how we can use colors, background, and what are the measurements on css, right? And we are going to learn about position so that you can keep any element anywhere you want on the screen, right? And we are going to learn about display. Then the most important topic, we are going to learn about flexbox. And then we are going to on maybe day 5 or 6 we are going to learn about animations and transforms on css. And after that we are going to make our first project, that is our portfolio project. All right, so and we'll make our custom book. We'll make our custom book. Then we'll learn about react performance, like how you can use suspense, how you can do lazy loading, how you can split code in react. And then we'll learn some frameworks like react router DOM for routing, tailor css for styling, and we'll learn about git and github, just the basic ideas of git and github, right? And then at last we'll make a website, sorry, a fully functional blog application. There will be functionalities like authentication, authorization, and comments, likes, everything. So we are going to make that, and in this blog system we are going to use different libraries to handle those things, right? And then after that we will these days can be, it can go up to 40 days. Okay, so it's just a roadmap. And at last we are going to learn about Next.js. As you all know that Next.js is a React framework, and it is highly demanded in the market, so we'll learn about Next.js.
Sir, about this fully functional website like blog application and the blog website,
Yeah.
what would be the features in that? Like what will be adding in the website?
Okay, so you can like just a blog website, right? So you can, in there you can write a blog, and then it will be more focused on how you can do our API calling, right? How you can handle API, and we'll have feature like comments. You have seen, right, comments. So you can comment on any blog, and you can render those comments.
So, sir, these projects like blog application, can we add these into our resumes when we finish them?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Vivek sir. And I hope you student got different, let's just say, aspect and different perspective on how we'll take this course. So apart from this, student, what we try to do here is we try to make it as short as possible and as in detail as possible. So for it, we have dropped some of the major topics that are not currently in practice in the market. So we are making it an adequate project. That way, you guys get to learn what is actually important in particular in context to your upcoming job or upcoming meet junior or intern level positions. So that is what we try to do here. And as you can see in the market and our course, it is very much smaller and it is very much shorter. So that is what we are after. Okay, students. So having said that, I would like to conclude this as sir did earlier. I think every confusion and doubt has been cleared here. So I would like to conclude it. And is there any confusion to Rohit sir or Aditya sir apart from the technical aspect?
Sir, about the knowledge, pre-knowledge, I don't have any knowledge about HTML and CSS.
Okay.
I'm knowing only Java,
Okay.
or that too only beginner level.
Okay.
So will it be a problem?
No, absolutely not, Aditya sir. So what we did here is, as we said earlier, we are making this course for 40 to 50 days. We've got 10 days of margin in it. So what we're trying to do is we'll try to take this course as adequately as possible to every student. So I would just like to inform you that in a particular session we'll only be having limited number of students, that is 5 to 10 only. So that way we get to cater each and every one specifically and then take the course accordingly or respectively. Did I answer your question, Aditya sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect. So having said that, I would like to conclude this session and thank you very much once again, student, and have a good day ahead. If any confusion or any confusion arises, please feel free to reach out to us via WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Please.